One of the most technical aspects of installing Windows 10 on your laptop or computer PC is creating a bootable USB drive. If you are going to install Windows 10 on your device, you will have to go through the process of creating a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. For most of the people, creating Windows 10 bootable USB is a complex process. However, you don't need to worry as I am here to guide you with the step-by-step process of creating Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Hey everyone, Rahul here from TechRepro and welcome back to another tutorial where you will learn how to create Windows 10 bootable USB. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and tap on the bell icon because we regularly bring cool tips, tricks, tutorials and reviews. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the tutorial. In order to create Windows 10 bootable USB drive, we need three things: a USB pen drive minimum of 8 GB storage, Windows 10 ISO file, and a utility tool for making the pen drive bootable. First, we need to download the Windows ISO file. To do so, go to the link in the description below, or even you can also search for the Windows 10 ISO file in Google and follow the Microsoft official website. Once you are on the official download page, you will get an option to select the edition which you want to download. Click on this drop-down menu and select the version which is suitable for you. The first one is October 2018 update, while the second one is April 2018 update for Windows 10. I would recommend you to choose the latest version, but if you want, you may also select this one. Now click Confirm. This will load another option on the same page. The new option is for selecting the language. Click here and choose the language. Here I'll select English because that's my preferred one, but if you have any other language as preferences, you can select that. Now click on Confirm for the confirmation. On the next page, you need to be careful. First, ensure what are the hardware configuration of your system. If your system supports 32-bit, then select 32-bit. Otherwise, if your system configuration is 64-bit, then select 64-bit download option. Now select the location where you want to save that Windows 10 ISO file. I'll prefer to save it on the desktop, since this will make it easy to find out the ISO file in further steps. Alright, we have already downloaded the Windows 10 ISO file, and in order to proceed with the next step to creating a bootable USB drive, we need to download a utility tool which is required to make the pen drive bootable. There are many free as well as paid utility tools for creating bootable USB, but we are going to use UnetBootin in this tutorial. I prefer this because it's free, easy to use and cross-platform as well, which means it's available for Windows, Mac as well as Linux. However, if you prefer other utility tools for creating a bootable USB, you may use other as well. The process is similar. I'll leave a link in the description below for some of the handy alternatives to UnetBootin. First, download and install UnetBootin as per the operating system you are using on your system. Now, we need a USB thumb drive with at least 8 gigs of free storage. Before proceeding further, I highly recommend you to ensure that you have backed up all the data that was available in the USB drive, because this will wipe all the data which was previously stored into the USB drive. Okay, after you have completed all the process, let's jump into the next step. Plug in the USB drive and go to the file location where UnetBootin was downloaded. In order to open the application, double-click on the file. Here, a prompt will appear. Click on Yes to allow the installer to run the program. On the next screen, select Disk Image and choose ISO as the disk image type. Click here and browse the Windows 10 ISO file which we have downloaded earlier. Since I have saved it on the desktop, so I'll go to the desktop and now I'll select the ISO file. From the drive menu, choose the USB which you want to make bootable. Here I have inserted only one USB, but if you have inserted more than one, then make sure you are choosing the right one. Now click on OK. This will start creating your bootable USB pen drive. This may take 10 to 20 minutes as per the writing speed of your pen drive. I'll fast forward this and come back when the process will complete. Alright, now the process is completed. Congratulations! Now you have your own Windows 10 bootable USB thumb drive. You can use it to install Windows 10 wherever you want. Simply plug in the USB on the laptop or computer which you want to clean install and follow the boot steps for installing Windows 10. So that's how you can create Windows 10 bootable USB drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. And before you go, don't forget to check out the description below for more information about the giveaway we are running on this channel, where you can participate to win free gifts. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.